Wow. Binance plan to burn at least over 70 billion coins of Terra Classic before the end of the year. Right now, I think they've burned about 37 or so, 37 billion. Now, the remaining days of the year, Binance are planning to show more support, and I believe even the way they are burning, they can meet up. Okay, but based on statistics, Binance might end up burning just about 42 or 43 billion coins for the end of the year. But they want to put more effort. They want to bring so many ways to help Terra Classic. And the target is to see if they can hit at least 70 billion coins before the end of this year. And if Binance alone can burn up to that, that is good. But for me, if you see, ask me like I used to say, I will keep saying it. Even though Binance burns 500 billion, the truth is we still have 5.3 trillion as circulating supply. So the coin is still, Luna still have a lot of coins. So they need trillions to be destroyed before we can be looking at what the possibility of what might happen. Okay, so I still believe, well, anything is possible, and I believe that Binance will keep on showing their support, and I believe burning 70 billion coin for the end of the year is possible. And I also believe that generally Terra Classic might hit 100 billion before the end of the year. Okay, yeah, generally they might hit 100 billion, but is it possible? I don't think they are going to meet up anymore because of the current situation of Terra Classic. But whatever it may be, I think Binance have really offered all their best. Binance have really tried. Right now, 70 billion is possible, so let's hope for more cash flow. Binance will be hoping at least. Although, if you take a look at Terra Classic statistics, you scored from 49% to 57% of Terra Classic trading volume. Even the market cap is on Binance. So it depends. If accept their trading volume hit higher, then I believe something else might really happen, which is the burning, because they're the one really burning Terra Classic. But right now, I don't see that happening. Once again, let's hope for crypto industry to bounce back, because right now Bitcoin is dropping. Anything that push BTC to drop further below $25,000, it means before the end of the year, BTC might trade below $30,000. And remember, our target is for BTC to hit over $50,000 before the end of the year. So let's hope that Bitcoin does not drop below $25,000. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.